Wagwan ENT.
Play bounce like a Bruce International. Squeeze wine, every massive squeeze wine. Old time, every massive old time. But bye. Squeeze wine, every massive squeeze wine. Old time, every massive old time. Hey, squeeze wine, every massive squeeze wine. But be careful who you're taking on tonight. Be careful who you're taking on tonight. Why? We call it's career, them a daily test killer. Oh, it's career, them a daily test killer. We just think on that day it was a thing cancer. And it's before that it was a malaria. But nowadays your man it had the AIDS career. It's career, it had the AIDS career. But nowadays your man it had the latest killer. It can be cured by nurses and no doctor. I mean I have no time for lie down puncher. You know say them the DJ lyrical designer. And anyway me pass through me dance on fire. You know say people start to begin of the area. Come follow me. It's career, them a the latest killer. It's career, them a the latest killer. But I just think other day it was a thing cancer. And it's before that it was a malaria. But nowadays your man it had the AIDS career. Now me no I'm not type to lie down puncher. I mean no I'm not type to talk to no doctor. And anyway me pass through me nice area. Now they you don't get how them have the gun fever. I bust pure shot tell them step on the hour. Them no ask no questions, they go on like lobster. In every case your man yes they got the answer. Got the answer, yes they got the answer. Me flash it round the mic around the Eiffel Tower. And anyway me go me nice up the area. Nice the area, make up a nice the area. Now set up purpose got a lyrical designer. You know say them they DJ them a culture mamala. They wanna Mr. Remy begin out the area. The African new boom in the area. And anyway we pass through you know a danger. Along with Mr. Mini as my sparring partner. Along with Mini man as my sparring partner. And anyway we go we catch a dance of fire.
We call them learn not and we call them learn not and. Put a bye-bye. Learn not and we call them learn not and. Because they you don't go to school to get education. So when them leave school them have qualification. So them can get a job, them can get them pension. When I was a youth I was a musician. I was trying to do a thing can get a mention. Me left that business and me turn a bantan. Well it's a me name and you know me a the host man. When the wrist line is me should have rule England. Say kick off the Ras at the Queen of England. Say hang on my guitar and me from your bottom. I kill Dennis in it with an raise and come down. Breeze and settle.
Now Celestia, Mini Dan, them better bring your medal come. See? Them better bring it come. Enough medal I forgive out tonight, you know, promoter. Now you come and I fling down the last one, see, before I turn it back over to Studio Magic Sound, see? And I was dedicated to all nice and decent people who come out this night, see? And then one of them also dedicated to the girls. Hold tight, girls. I will not leave you out. And I special request to all nice and decent people.
Give me the dub, the rubber dub. Give me the dub, I love it, I love it. Give me the dub, the rubber dub. Give me the dub, I love it, I love it.
I was like Allison.
Where it comes from, nobody knows. I only know true inspiration and flow. Round destruction and drowning on my veins. Warming my body and diffusing my brain. Give me the dub, the rubber dub. Give me the dub, I love it, I love it. Give me the dub, the rubber dub. Give me the dub.
Aliasa from London, Birmingham, Nottingham, see? And right now we have a man. Him saying we want fire real shot. For sure no idiot boy. See? The tip is not soft, see? And you boost up the song Raiders. All the man in the mic corner will build my sound. Build Raiders sound, enough sound, see? Now we don't kiss no foot in a boy. See? Now you see all right now, tonight I dead. And I got kill you now, you see? No tell them got all tight. Gonna stay up about you, see? No all crew. Yo, now let's take off them ningy tie business, see? Cause right now, if we don't want to fight, we fight, you know. Cause right now, we now wrap up, you see? That man.
You don't see the son, you're ragamuffin and roughneck man, sure. Celestia is on roll. You don't know?
Now me have man there say, you know, fire 12 boy and son off and thing in a star. Like the I don't know for this was gonna bring you on the day, you know. But you see right now, we're not going like fool. No one for catch taxi.
Well, you mean to tell me, say, who don't ever do African roots, not that him just fuck on up, so. So. That even look a carrot and tomato.
It don't finish.
Don't come down and turn around us, come fuck up the situation, man. Understand me, man? Kill them 2 by 2. All of the sound them got
Original business. Never African roots alone. No sound test. No sound.
What the ragamuffin them more and more. Come quick kill them 1 by 1. African roots out. Kill them 2 by 2. African roots out. Kill them 3 by 3. Me say Dubplate start to play.
When I kiss no foot.
Come big things and run away. Whether in the night or in a DJ. You know say the ragamuffin sound it a play. All of the sound them grab and tour. Leave African roots just to settle the score. All of the girls them in a London town. Oh, African roots me say more and more. Come and quit up them 1 by 1.
Oh, that's all cool. How I compare your pants on for you?
When they go start to play, all of the girls them just a dub right away. Come and quick kill them 1 by 1. Yes, come and quick kill them 2 by 2. Yes, come and quick kill them 3 by 3. We call it kill sound like
no one's like Oxford Masters. All cool about you, no prospect. How illegal? See? When I kiss no foot.
Hey, all of the sound them grab and tour. Leave African roots just to settle the score. All of the girls them in the land
no big
town. What African roots me say more and more. Come make we kill them 1 by 1. African roots out, kill them 2 by 2. Hey, come make we kill them 3 by 3. African roots out, kill them 4 by 4. Because finger mash no cry. Remember I play with the play. Because finger mash no cry. Remember I play with the play. We like a stubborn donkey in the dance and the sun boy can't come over at all. When we fling rubber, so fly over Canada.
Now listen to the voice of the monster.
Them 1 by 1, yes, we are killing
Yes.
them 2 by
Now we come again. Now me here man I talk about rent DJ scene. Now you see, Tuesday we expand all of England already. And in 1985 we win the Southwest of England trophy scene. They are slow community. We is expensive scene. No Indian fan song can't run down.
wrong?
I crew scene.
What's wrong?
I just hold them gear there boy. Head paper pillar.
What's wrong?
I ain't that bad.
I'm in pretty good shape.
Sorry, fellas. Only the good sounds are chosen for
Oh, hey,
dance
listen.
halls. And you bad
Now
sounds
for the
will
massive.
fuck up the quality.
Right now we couple lick up Stalingrad and Studio Magic, you know. But through Stalingrad cool. I just a deal with one sound, you know.
What's wrong?
No respect Stalingrad all time.
I'm in pretty good shape.
Sorry, fellas. Only the good sounds are chosen for dance halls. And you bad sounds will fuck up the
No
quality.
select up, pull up. Make them second. Throw the massive for us, say forward. People love it, say forward.
Would you mind saying that again? Would you mind saying that again?
Stand
What's
elevation.
wrong?
I ain't that bad.
I'm in pretty good shape.
I want to boy
Sorry,
listen to them style,
fellas.
yeah. You
Only
talk
the good
about
sounds
style.
are chosen for dance halls. And you bad sounds will fuck up the quality.
Come down, Bambird.
Expensive boy. Let's give a pillar.
Exterminator.
Who them gear them? Play by the song of African alone.
Exterminator.
How big a question, Jimmy Magic Massive?
See,
Man, a little Andy. No respect. Veteran.
some talk about them wise. Yeah.
Dead.
But I am clever. Some say them are the
Don't take an artist, boy.
but the father them a follow. I am the exterminator. I come to clean all corners.
Yes. Now them person them cut this morning
What's
about 2
wrong?
o'clock in a crowd of people. How I know we're there studio live and direct. See? How is expensive?
What's wrong?
I ain't that bad.
I'm in pretty good shape.
Sorry, fellas. Only the good sounds are chosen for dancehalls. And your bad sounds will fuck up the quality.
Come down, Pamber.
Come execute them.
Exterminator.
Look what Pastor, look what.
Exterminator. Exterminator. Yeah. Some are talk about them smart, see, but I am smarter. Some are talk about them wise,
Oh boy.
but I am clever. Some are say them are the done, but the follow them not follow. I am the exterminator. I come to clean all
Straight
corners.
up to the magic
I'm
head.
gonna exterminate every crevice, every corner. I'm gonna separate
I want to take an artist.
music from the night. I'm gonna exterminate the men from the boys. See,
Good.
just what you see,
Pow, 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 pow.
you will get. And you don't see you feel no. Anything you hey, so let the top of them chests. They will all confess. Yeah. Sooner or later, the exterminator is the death. Boy, I am the
Come boy,
exterminator.
you can hit the garbage can. I don't care.
I'm gonna exterminate. Yes, every crevice, every
Now which
corner.
idiot sound say them
I am
roll
the
about here?
exterminator.
And I come from Circle all over. See,
I'm gonna exterminate.
up and down general. Now so much guy know. No respect goes out to you, see. Now right now, them fashion them dedicated to all dancehall crew, see. Cut it, see. Now come down Scully veteran, cause them a talk about we rent DJ. They make paper pillar.
No Selassie Remington, sir. Now come again, General. I want it for the top, sir. Me enough sound I talk about rent a DJ, and you know, say me go and ban with this sound, sir. Selassie, I know.
Well, some boy, you should lick garbage can.
Now all you corner each and every dancehall bubble, sir. In South African Music Entertainer. And I Scully Bantan on the mic stand, sir. True living veteran. Lord of mercy. Bala bala. Remember say. Che wana deng 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 deng. Che wana deng. Che wana deng deng. Che remember deng 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 deng. No this a sound man a the king champion. No flicker sound them a say that them one. Until you that the soul around the microphone stand. Me Ramadan sound me say in a Brighton. Me Ramadan one me say in a work. Reason come down again. Selassie I know. No selector, you see me? And I don't skin up with sound, sin. Can I do a sound business for me 12, sin?
No studio magic shit on the pants.
Live sound boy I come up, them a rough come up, sin. No tight boss man, cause you build me, sin. Easy. Lord of his mercy. Big question little Anderson. Cheering me bang, come one another. She one another, ding, 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 ding. She ribby bang, come ribby bang, sing, yes. She wanna ding, 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 ding. No sound boy, I say them a sting. Tune them down the way, I go clip them wing. I sing me, I go clip them wing. So we sit up on the rhythm like a lizard on a leaf. You know Mr. Sully, you say me not timing. We sit up on the rhythm cause you know them fashion. Me rhyme for the rhythm, yes me a fish again. The girl them, no one days them just really ring. I sit up on the rhythm like a lizard man on them. Some of them just a say you me look well slim. Me you tell you African them and the DJ king. Me you tell you African them a fi wave in the ring. Me you sit up on the rhythm like a king pan him throne. Tell you African them a fi lick down of sound. A sound try you think me a fi lay him down flat. Until you never know we are the true our walk. Until you Mr. Sully run them a give no start. And lyrics up me much and them never will stop. The youth them in the ghetto you say my ability. Yeah, you them in the ghetto you say my ability. Me say one thing with them not have no money. Them a walk on the street, them a plan to rob me. Them a looking at me pocket and them see it tempting. Them here Mr. Sully will you buy a browse? Me say go with the good girl with the one thing style. Along with Mr. Echo Lord, him a mix me. Along with culture, him a spar with me. The man me the culture, him bone me. Along with that, the Sully run them I can say. Me sit down on the rhythm like a dancer jockey. Now some of them a say me fever parted away. They use no one they drum and them and them style. So come down, now is again me select cause Selassie I know. One more time. Cause we ragamuffin and Rambo. Celestia, you know, hold your corner. Yeah. Now come down, Mr. Selector. Kind of say you're rough, man.
Yes, nice my selector and come down again. See, I know someone is rugged. I respect a boy until he run off the mouth, you know. Then I disrespect him. See, so now I come down in some general style. See, I is my selector. Lord of mercy. Hey, Lord. So me say with them a try, say with them a try, them a try to conquer eye. So with them a try, so with them a try, them a try to conquer eyes. Look in me face and you feel looking at me eye. Bright shot and I know sound boy get no blind. Yes, I sound boy you must be dead and buried. Some in them and me in a category. Them kind of boy them a try to test me. True them no lad me in a style. Sit down and I read them like a horse and jockey. Tell them boy them a pick with cemetery. So with them a try, so with them a try, them a try to conquer eye. With them a try, so with them a try to conquer eye. So listen me now man, me this around there with the track. When me come out, that's me get the boom shakalak. The thing when me hear this a man no can't start when they can't run the rhythm and they can't run the track. Them kind of boy me say them well slack. That's me now man, you know you're half for the knock. So when them a try, so when them a try, them a try to conquer eye. So when them a try, so when them a try, them a try to conquer eye. So yes me now man, you know you're in no style. Yes me now man, you know you're wicked and wild. I will be a range, you gonna tell them man and laugh. The older them on me say the brighter side. The younger the couple say the sweeter the wild. So yes family we start you know them a fi rap.
Not gonna wait. Not gonna wait some song. Not gonna wait some song. Not gonna wait and woo. Not gonna wait some song. Not gonna wait. Now they wanna sell and got and them not gonna wait. They wanna shoot the magic and not gonna wait. Now listen then the DJ. Someone listen what I say. You know say Papa scratching me no ramp and me no play. Now when me come and dance me think then dance it a sway. Second Papa scratching second dump and reggae come follow me. Not gonna wait some song. Not gonna wait woo. Not gonna wait some song. Not gonna wait fun. Not get nothing. Nah get nothing, nah get nothing from sound, nah get none. Now the African road, but they must get some. Now when she don't want the rhythm, that's a no problem. Now they come pump and she come from right there with them, we call it. Not gonna wait some sound, nah gonna wait, not gonna wait some sound, nah gonna wait. Now they wanna turn ENT. Nah gonna wait. They wanna shoot the magic, but them not gonna wait. You know say pump and shot me no ramp and me no play. And anyway me pass to the dance up and sweat. You know say them the DJ, they run the DJ, come follow me. Now gonna wait some sound, now go. Now that was a public warning. See, now come down with the ragamuffin DJ. Yeah. Man, I still have two more to play, cause the first one, son. Now tight dance crew.
Hold on!
Burial business, you don't know, man.
Me with me old pants.
So the one tune still like three tune.
No, boss, I beg you take out the ningy when we at Chris Dubplate a place, see? No one no joke business.
Hold on!
Don't distress it.
Me with me old pants out, but me want cut this African roots.
Take the fuck out of here. Don't you know that we's expensive in there?
No selector, pull up. No that way we win the grand honor. We grew up, crowd up massive, let me hear you. Saying, for a long time we did this, saying, now you tune to the ambassador. Now listen to the voice of the master. Now come down, General Echo.
Hold on!
No, this is not competition, it's exhibition.
Me with me
See?
old pants out,
So
but
it's
me
space.
want cut this African roots.
Take the fuck out of here. Don't you know that we's expensive in there? Yeah!
Straight to whop a blood clot head. Now we don't stop here. Now pull up, selector. Now straight to Studio Magic. Now right now, there's a hearse outside. And Studio Magic wanted to go junction. But that is them corner. No some boy.
Hold on! Me with me old pants out, but me want cut this African roots.
Take the fuck out of here. Don't you know that we's expensive in there? Yeah!
Good. Enough of that dance.
Dancehall go to a decision. That African roots must execute some old plan.
No taking out this.
To the electric chair.
Electric chair. No pull up. No you step forward.
Hold on.
Now we can't pass. Hang it here, the boy. We're not stuck on him.
Take the fuck out of here. Don't you know that is expensive in there? Yeah! I said the dancehall has come to a decision that African roots must execute some old plan. Ding 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 nah hoing. To the electric chair.
Let's do them as a pack up.
To the electric chair. African roots is a song we don't care. Because time get murdered, time get wise. Every old one of a computerized. Them coming on the dance, but them a criticize. But I better who no cool and
Now what I Angela,
to the electric chair. Take a old pan, me say here and there. To the electric chair. African
Come on,
roots is a
African
song
roots,
we don't
alone.
care. We are gonna shut them up one by one. And shut them up and put them in a rubbish one. Roll them out of dance and we say one by one. Cause no sound boy can't correspond. To the electric chair. Take a sound boy, me say here and there. To the electric chair. African roots is a song we don't care here. Tick-a-ding-ding now, tick-a-ding-ding now.
No, it's not black
We
tea.
come,
I'm Mandela Master.
tick-a-ding-ding now,
No
tick-a-ding-ding
respect.
now. To the electric chair.
No, tell us like God no. See, we come for hang a stone boy and send him back a junction. And if them can't hold him a junction, we'll send him go Henley. See, no 6 foot down him up to bury. See, yes, Lord of mercy. Chawada ding, chawada down king. No worries. No taking original business. How we no ramp with the artist dreadlock. Lord of mercy. Chawada ding, chawada down king. Chawada ding, chawada down king. And crack them a smoke, them you them not joke. Crack them a smoke, not them you them not joke. Crack them a smoke, not them you them not joke. Crack them a smoke, not them you them not joke. Tell them African land we really have to go. Keep in a session now before God come. Keep in a session now before God come. Them no want to the magic, let them sound run down. Want to the magic, let them sound run down. Listen African, we are the talk of the town. 9 months is gone, Lord, we still on the dance. He said, listen me about the Lord from me left hand.
No, nothing. My music gonna come down strong. They're gonna dance tonight, yeah. Gonna dance tonight, yeah. Alright, oh yo. Someone's gonna die tonight. Someone's gonna die tonight. Someone's gonna die tonight. African roots, you're gonna mash it down right. When you hear this sound just playing in the down song, alright. You got to know this sound, it is the turnaround, alright. Oh yeah, a pseudo man is gonna die tonight. A pseudo man is gonna die tonight. Alright, they're gonna die tonight. Oh yeah. So African roots, you are the #1 sound. Oh yeah. I said it nice, just so nice from the low. Oh yeah. Cause anyway you go, you are the champion. So yes, we are go band them up like rubbish in a pan. So yes, me the man, you know you stand up and strong. Me lyric them coming like yes, a nuclear weapon one. Yes, a nuclear weapon one. Hey, a pseudo man is gonna die tonight. A pseudo man is gonna die tonight. A pseudo man is gonna die tonight. Ever gonna roll, say you roll up the dance song. Don't you know, no. Don't you know you are the turnaround, alright.
Kufunga song, hang on for song, yes. Kufunga song, yes. Hang on for song, yes. Studio magic and it, dance song, yes. Studio magic and it. Dead son, until no African them a go mash up the town. Till no African them a feel with the king's crown. Till no African them come fi mash up the town. Now when Mr. Scully who a rap microphone, lyrics up me up, them never feel and no bone. Lyrics with me chat and them mash it and go home. This a sound, the ruling sound, yes. This a sound, the champion sound. Me tell you that the Scully him a mash microphone, yes. Africa sound. Kufunga sound, yes. Rough up a sound. Kufunga sound, yes. Rough up a sound, yes. Kufunga sound. Come me under me roots, under me culture. Me give thanks and praise to me holy father. Me in a dance hall as a entertainer. Me know about me roots and me know me culture. So me give thanks and praise to the father. Say pull up Mr. Echo, can you want them out, yeah? Come on, glad you hear me. I want more than over to Studio Magic sing.
Now still I say I know. Now still in tune to the song called
I told that, you know, Jed. I 3-3 session, son. So this make the third one, son. Come down, Mr. Echo. Last one, then Studio Magic sing.
Now still I say I know. Now Studio Magic, no why it's second level. Yes, Jesus. Now them fashion them are dead in a dreadlocks. Their yard get 10 gun salute, you know. Now right now we not rap up, we not play, you know. Yes? No.
Yes, I can feel a sound. Yes, I can feel a sound.
Five minutes take one of y'all. All of y'all. Yes?
I can kill a sound boy.
Nobody chat when I'm at a place, say.
Temporary
All
sound
up
boy
reflector.
comes and
All up reflector. All up reflector.
oh.
Hey, some boy, when I take no check, see? No some boy in England don't give me no check. I see me one me line of this no check. No sound no test. Yeah?
Hold your corner.
And find a space. No some boy don't distress. Yes?
Yes, I can feel a sound. Yes, I
Rock 'em up in DJ there. Rock 'em up in scout there. Yes? I got the third public warning.
I can kill a sound boy or leave him
I
alone.
want to sound them I try.
Temporary sound boys comes and
How am I do?
You're the only sound that I
Oh, sound boy, what a space.
Other rest of sound boys live in control.
All time you can you not get through. Yes? Play one song, I'm going to run my cute. Anyway, we're going to have to get the gunman salute.
Just want to go say hello to the girls, son. How me, you love?
I know time now we're going to print scout from the one say skunk out. See?
You better vamos, leave the Lord. Ooh, because I need to rock a dub sound. Just to play rock a dub on the sound, boy, believe.
Master Clinton wants you at the front door right now. Immediately, say report.
None of my Clinton report. Hurry.
I need to rock a moving sound just to play in the ghetto.
Yeah, man, rock 'em up in DJ there.
Oh, baby. Yes, I can kill a sound. 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 Now I can kill a sound boy or leave him alone. Temporary sound boys comes and go. You're the only sound that I ever know.
Play my song like a Fruits International. Rock 'em up in DJ no partial. Dance and feel Marshall.
You better run, Melissa, Lord. Because I can't take no old sound. You better dismiss, leave the
Now you
dance.
see me now. As a ragamuffin scout, I can't plug out. See? As a ragamuffin scout, I can't plug out. Me just stay up for shock out. Someone wants to see them skank out. See? How ragamuffin DJ the boss. Hey, Lord of His mercy me. Hey, I want your name, Lord, I'm gonna win your name, King Hamlet. I want your name, Lord, I'm gonna win your name, but bye. I want your name, Lord, I'm gonna win your name, eh. I want your name, Lord, I'm gonna win your name, name. Just can't plug out, you know me, just can't plug out. Just can't plug out, you know me, just can't plug out. Now they wanna pump and start but me just can't plug out. They wanna remain and you know him just can't plug out. They wanna mean him and tell us them just can't plug out. You know say them they DJ them a rock a muffin scout. And when them come a dance you know them just can't plug out. A long time me a shock dreadlocks, a long time me they bound. And anyway me cut dreadlocks me just can't plug out. Come follow me, just can't plug out. Just can't plug out. Come Nelly, just can't plug out. They name me just can't plug out. Now they wanna African root dreadlocks them just can't plug out. Now when me come a dance you know me just can't plug out. Now second pop and start tell you one rock a muffin scout in them. Ready and trash and you pay ready and trash ready and trash and you pay ready and trash. Every sound in England you pay ready and trash. You invite it German say oh you can't crash. You come in on the dance no lyrics are flash. Now listen to the DJ say them well internet. You jump in now they want to bomb make us play splash. They don't talk to girl face full of parage. No any can me driving it up in a dance. Me jump in now they want to bomb make us play splash. Now set up and shut enough lyrics are flash. You come on and they dance you know me don't can't crash. Now set up and shut bomb you well internet sick name. Ready and touch on your fair ready and touch ready and touch on your fair ready and touch. Now they rumbling on massive you fair ready and touch. They uptown massive you fair ready and touch. They downtown massive you fair ready and touch. For I'm on come and dance and right in a sound clash. And when me take us up you know me must have feature. Come follow me. Ready and touch on your fair ready and touch ready and touch on your fair ready and touch. Now they gonna come and dance and be ready and touch. They don't talk to girl face full of parade. Now in a me pocket where me carry my cash. You know say them they DJs and them well internet. And anyway me pass through the lyrics of the flash. You invited German say oh you get crash. You smoke sense in me you say also the ad. Me don't eat it but you don't know it no mash. Now say come pop and catch him on your well internet on your fair ready and chance ready and chance on your fair ready and chance kid alley. Ready and chance on your fair ready and ready and ready and take it on low. Take it on low. Coming like a stage show.
Come down next pan.
85 when me a rum dance and a chat enough version. Where there? No Southwest. 85, no way on a day. Saying, no, all me here say they are Luton, man. No come here, Mr. Fox, cause you know the story.
Jimmy Magic, they are Luton scene, burial scene, them burial. Me the dead, so you must respect that Studio Magic scene.
I mean a man there now, live and direct, I say you know a borrow dub enough from the graphics to come test African roots. No, stop. Nobody chat when I chat scene. Now you ever listen to the voice of the master. Now come down, General, because we're going to suck out.
Son boy, I want to you. African roots make me out of breath.
And don't stress it, just respect it.
Ragamuffin.
Call the people that request it.
Me and Tony Red Rose, man. When the fox can't get the break.
I'm tired of boy I talk about them other done. And I'm ready.
African roots.
I'm a first
We
respect
are
you.
going to cook up on the goose. He boom day, he boom day, he boom day, he boom day. Hey, because them can't knock away, none of them can't knock out.
No selector, come down.
Play warm and easy,
I know enough music around tonight.
on the block, hey, hey.
And we don't care.
So we take the shot regularly.
See we expensive and dear this year. We don't run no plastic and run up mouth same time.
When a dance on stage, or a river party, cause them can't knock away. None of them can knock African roots. No, play warm and easy. For the block,
no, for we there, no.
Hey, hey.
I know just where me want.
Them have to confess. Fling rubber the bomb, the sound boy.
I want to try.
Kill them a east, we kill them a west. Them come a dance hall, so them have to confess. Cause them can't knock away. None of them can knock African roots.
Original business.
Play warm and easy. For the block,
The African scene.
Some boy them come and say them really have me turn back. Bow, whoa,
Now come down, first John work. When I go in and flash it.
Heart not be close. Come and say this is Red Rose. Along with Bully Reggae. A Bully Reggae. I know some boy can't can't take out we sting, take out we sting. No, cause them can't knock we. None of them can knock African roots now. No, no, be a woman easy for the blackie or even the whitey. Hey, hey, listen me back and me now it play so easy. Listen me top pen and in the flirty.
Now big up West the crowd of people in them. I respect music. I respect no crew.
Can't knock we. None of them can knock African roots now. No, no.
1-1 ENT.
What can I say now?
The blackie or even the whitey. Hey, hey, take a trip to we technician regularly.
Simon Chandler, know your place, boy.
We up against the sound when it flirty. When a dancehall stage, you are even party. Got them can't knock away. None of them can knock African roots now. No, no, we warm and easy for the blackie or even the whitey.
No warm and easy, sing, cause we not come for distress, it sing. No, and I preach roots and culture, sing. Now, crowd of massive, why you know saying true to the song called African Roots come for control the whole of Rhythm Town. How you don't know it, go?
Should not kill you, should not kill you, should not kill you, should not kill the dubplate.
No taking artist, boy.
Boom back, boom back.
You're fool.
The killing of the dubplate, a sound wire motion. The killing of the dubplate is a sound
Now
wire
come again, selector. Now right now, culture there, you know. And a whole heap of entertainer. Now come in, culture.
Yeah, man. What big international requests still sound like African roots, sing expensive and dear.
Should not kill you, should not kill you, should not kill you, should not kill the
Who goes there? Ragamuffin, you expensive and there.
Boom back,
Gone
boom
to
back. Killing of the dubplate.
Big question of Reggie like when we want. No respect.
The killing of the dubplate.
No guy can knock your man.
Is a sound wire
All tight skull, see?
Yes, the killing of the dubplate, the sound wire motion. The killing of the dubplate is a sound wire motion.
That's how we do it.
Yes.
Come down.
So long you have sound, you know have dubplate.
Turn like got echo.
When me give you 2 plates, I wait. Hey.
We ain't know the chatting business, man. The music talk.
You no have no top, no middle, no base. But the dubplate killing a murder. Move back. Some sound why I push it too far, sir.
Who goes there? Ragamuffin, African roots, expensive one there.
Killing a murder. Move back. Too much sound why I push it too far, sir. Move back.
Listen more section, young boy. I'm taking. See him? You just a come and run up your mouth. Second pan your rush up button and you.
No one touch to the magic of your head bus. See? I went Ramadan, I entertain, see me not call no DJ name. See? Upon sound. Now and I come for entertain, see? And then I come for work on sound, see? When I touch on it, it's expensive and dear. I entertain with music.
We are dancehall.
Now you track.
Digital. Oh, enough of them are going like them rough. But them must have easy to.
Now read them are gonna kill them, you know.
Like them hard.
And then later on, the squad room are gonna come down. Now style and fashion sing. Now do me intro to the president champion. Control the southwest of England. We not take no nigga business. Don't see the magic, you have nothing right. No second boy.
Oh, enough of them are going like them rough. But them must have easy up. Enough of them are going like them hard. And them are driving.
I see you not kiss no foot, you know.
Digital over there.
I saw it, you know.
The country this year. Digital over here and digital over there. A digital around it and we just don't care.
Intelligent.
Digital with digital. Hey, digital with digital. Oh, a digital with digital. Hey, a digital with digital. Oh,
I'm coming close here.
enough of them are wow.
Big request to the Belgian like echo. No respect. But through the magic, our intention, man. For a long time we are not business, see? Yeah. Both sides start. No respect.
A digital with digital. Flow with flow.
night is THX. You know that. Who wants to scratch it?
Yeah, man. Let's dance and feel Marshall. And digital, you get with digital. And a song boy, you get critical. See? So time you turn you, because you not get shoot. All time turn crew, call curfew. Rock up in DJ pass through. See? And African rules up here, pro brand new.
Yeah, let's send enough love to Stanley but pass about here. See?
Yeah, man, all time turn around crew.
Clear this air. I'm proud of people don't have no fear. Flash over there, cause I'm drinking beer.
Rock up in the selling, so you a murderer. Yes, I'm from rules, control the corner. No selector. No selector. All I'm pull up on the wall. All I'm pull up on the wall. See, I have no sound boy I talk about. Them are expensive and them thing there, you know. But me I don't respect that, you know. Now them stand dedicated to all Jerry Curl youth. See, selector. All I'm pull up on the wall. All I'm pull up on the wall. Me not done yet, man. Me not done. Me not done yet, man. Me not done with them yet, man. What do you, man? Let me now point out and show you, man. I want them, man. Hey, some boy find a space in all the corner. See? Can you see when I'm finish your pass through on a curfew? And African rules for your brand new. Play man a sound and make you gather around. Skin color black, white and brown. We call it what another thing. Ridley Bounce Gang, but my what another thing. Ridley Bounce Gang, eh? What another thing come for me? Ridley Bounce Gang, but my what another thing come for me? What a damn thing. But me and a boom, so girl no bother look, eh? Me and a boom, so girl no bother look, boom. Me and a boom, so girl no bother look, come follow me. Me and a boom, so girl no bother look. Now the girl can't watch her man, the girl can't cook. She come in, now they dance, one go take me for bob. She want me visa, she want me bank book. You know say them the girl tell them, you know say them a crook. Come follow me. Me and a boom, so girl no bother look, eh? Me and a boom, so girl no bother look. The girl can't watch her, now the girl can't cook. Take me for bob, come follow me. Me and a boom, so girl no bother look. We call it expensive girl, me want the expensive girl. Keep doubling. Expensive girls, me want the expensive girls, eh? Expensive girls, me want the expensive girls. Keep doubling. Expensive girls, me want the expensive girls. They want a pop scotch, they want the girl expensive. They want a pop scotch, they want the girl expensive. BMW with them drive and Kensington now where them live. Now when them come out down, turn off them well impressive. Me start to stick a jam and she look attractive. Me start talk to her, she never go negative. Me start to fling questions like detective. Make it personal, make it inquisitive. Like, what's your name? And I which part you live? Which part you live? Me say, which part you live? Now to get her in my bed was my objective. Now anywhere me pass through the dance and from it. Come follow me. Expensive girl, me want the expensive girl. Keep doubling. Expensive girls, me want the expensive girl. Boom. Expensive girls, me want the expensive girl. Now they want a sister, she love them, she expensive. They want a sister, market, yeah, she expensive. BMW with them drive and Kensington now with them live. Now anywhere them go turn up to exclusive. Around the microphone, you know me it's magnetic. Now second for one content, begin all the fountain.
Ragamuffin DJ run the ragamuffin sound. Ragamuffin sound is just a mash up the sound. Long with Mr. Scully in my right microphone. Sit down on the radio like a lizard on a bone. Ragamuffin DJ run the ragamuffin sound. Ragamuffin sound is just a mash up the sound. Say ting tang turn it and go to. Now me say ting tang time it a go to. Me say kiss it on your mouth, me say your tongue it a go swell. Sitting alright, me say down in a hell. Say listen, Mr. Scully, you no deal with Cradle. Say round for the mic, so me you fi contel. Things on time, yes, it's a fi really tell, yes. Things on time, yes, it's a fi really tell. There's only one winner in the dance area. Me under me roots, under me culture. African roots sound, you say, I power. Enough sound, man, say them just a Allah. It's only one sound who I control about ya. And listen this a Scully run the mic center. Me say no MC, them a try copy me. But me sit down pan the rhythm like me right pan the sea. Say listen this a you jam man intelligently. Say round microphone, yes me pass 23. Me say I know any girl could lie with me. Say Say watch out Mr. Sullivan and chat the MC car. Sit down pan with me and sit down steady, yes. Sit down pan with me and sit down steady, yes. Sit down pan with me and sit down steady. Anyway that me come me say the girl and watch me. Say watch Mr. Sullivan and chat him style. Say lyrics up me much man intelligently. Say I know when they want gonna ever touch me, yes. Now come down Mr. Eko. Final. Sing. Crucial youth like Pat Anthony. Sing. Over the sun me get cultures.
I rock off in DJ and ramp after that.
Nice. No sound test man. Endly. Endly. I rock on my film burial, sing. No selector. Lift up that hammer and come again. And I go lick them with concussion style, saying intensive care and them thing, the man. Pack up your 10 pan. Selassie I sound, bro. Selassie I sound. Selassie I sound. You know, man? Cantankerous business, man. Ruling sound.
Coffee. All the coffee.
All your corner sound, boy. For a long time we are trying, son.
Enough man I talk about them respect unity. But unity no respect them. Sing.
No.
Yes, come again. Because the rest of in every foreign country. Come back a yard and we spending money. All fancy girl have to run, come and whoa.
Song called African Rose International. So no passion. Ragamuffin song.
We are gonna kill them.
Nice.
Mr. 3, come for laughing spree. Mr. 4, we gonna give them some more. Mr. 5, must keep the dance all alive. Mr. 6, them have to run come quick. And Mr. 7, every man who want go ahead. Mr. 8, we gonna lay them straight. Mr. 9, now this a girl is mine. Mr. 10, want to tell your friend, come again. Yes, come again. Because we're nice up down.
Special request to the man got inside.
Every time I think
Ragamuffin youth. Son.
that is the way we make we money. Enough boy out there, them still war up. Come again.
And I born and growing out of ghetto, man. Son. Bangkok Crucial Echo.
We come to rule up the land.
When you come down, Mr. Lincoln, I know you a murderer. Pull up selector, we are wait for. On the way.
We are gonna give them some more. It's a 5, must keep the dance
Now
all
selector,
alive.
I don't pull up and playing part 2 selection. Scene. Can you see me now? I'm in a ramp after dark. I am a DJ in a ramp after dark. I mean, I mash it from the end, right from the start. Come from back our wing card. Scene. Now let's have steam selector. Yes. Ragamuffin DJ pass through on a curfew. Yes. Now you see me now, I'm gonna ramp after that. My music singing title, I'm gonna ramp after that. Sing. No title on youth, cause you not get shoot. I don't see them DJ no friend ugly bro. No for them I can't go make you. Anyone I touch, we got the gunman salute. Hey. After dark, me na ramp after dark, eh. After dark, me na ramp after dark, but bye. After dark, me na ramp after dark, after dark, me na ramp after dark. Ragamuffin DJ, them na ramp after dark. Throw me straight like an arrow and me dead like a dart. Now anything me shut it, I pick up on the chart. Me match it from the intro, and say right from the start. Me drive up on my wagon, me no drive no go-kart. Now take up over, eagle circle. Yeah, now so me get tongue grip on the DJ them. Now come again. Now so me get the rough for the boy them now. I man no take no check. From no guy in England, I man no take no check. I man no take no check enough star. Enough star now, I man no take no check. All them dreadlocks. Now came all over. And scan count on youth and youth. Yes? Number one, all them scan count now. Come find that push down right now. Chillin'. Play by the sound like a Fruit International. Ragamuffin DJ no Pasha. Request to the man of the Raiders crew. Request to one youth and youth in the area. See? How I scratch it there live. Enough vibes. We call it after dark, we not ramp after dark, but bye. After dark, we not ramp after dark, after dark, we not ramp after dark, After dark, we not ramp after dark. Ragamuffin DJ, them not ramp after dark. So me straight like a arrow and me dead like a dart. Now anything me shot it, I figure up on the chart. Me mash it from the entry, long say right from the start. Me drive a BMW, me no drive no go-kart. Me dance to the ramp, long say dance off a cock. Now anywhere me pass, so me off this what we call it. After dark, we not ramp after dark, after dark, we not ramp after
What
dark.
one
Oh, you know say
ENT?
purpose got say, but me no take no check. No anywhere me pass, so me live and direct, come follow me. No take no check, no take no check, come there, no take no check, bye. No take no check, come follow me. No take no check, no take no check, get there. Then la bala la bala, kid on it. Then la bala la bala, kid on it. Then la bala, la bala. Now they youth and they get us, then la bala. And when they come out, then they dance about a nice area. Now one second, purpose can say round the mic center. Now anywhere you pass, so they dance a fire. They you don't get out, them have the gun fever. I bust your shot, fell and step on the hour. Then I ask no questions, they go like lobster. In every picture, man, yes, they got the answer. I chuck it in a style like the real gangster. One thing me can't take it to the ears carrier. It's carrier, them are the latest killer. Nothing down different selections, select the car chuckle, we are chuckle. And it's one of the last ones, so don't stress it, just respect it. Star, I don't want a man talk when me I talk, you know. I just stop me and say, you know. See? I don't want a man to talk when me I talk. You hear me, Star?
Soundboy, talk. Watch our rep turn with those stage, I come
Just chillin' on space, yes, Star. Yeah, man, Ragamuffin DJ there now, I'm gonna ramp, you know.
Soundboy, talk. Watch our rep turn with those stage, I come
No, come on, selector. Rough and tough.
My
talk. Watch our rep turn with those stage, I come chop you.
We are the boy, you know. My, they don't play again in the bar.
Hey,
Come when you're ready,
hey,
come
selector.
when you're ready.
How am I do?
Come
Oh,
when
that's
you're
right.
ready. African roots, when you're ready.
Oh, yeah, they mash up the dance.
When you're ready.
Hey, some boy. Hey.
You know what, come tell me no. You know
Hey,
what,
some boy.
tell me no. I'm a dancer, so. Don't put it down, I don't know. You know you're my you just look out your momo. Don't put it under your momo. I said, I feel so like when you're ready, when you get to the when you're ready, you need to I'm the simple in A1 class. I'm the soul really fast. African roots in A1 class. I'm the soul really fast. When you're ready, when you're ready, if you think you can
You know,
take
you hear me say me I play the last one.
come
So,
when you
I play the last one, say. I know it's an iPod stuff.
Talk. Watch our rep turn with
I'll
those
pull up the
stage,
selector. Some more soundboy to sing. Pull up. Mind it up.
talk.
I want to push all them, I do.
I come chop you.
come when you're ready, come when you're ready, sound boy, come when you're ready, African roots, when you're ready, you get this way, when you're ready, you get this way. You know what, come tell me no. You know what, come tell me no. I'm a dancer, so. Don't be happy, I don't know. You know you're my baby.
Boss. This one is the last one.
Don't watch our tournament was big. I come to champion.
Turn off them battery.
Come when you're ready, daddy. Come when you're ready.
Hold on, man. We still have one more left, man. To secularize.
Don't watch our tournament was big. I come to champion.
Why?
Come when you're ready, daddy. Come when you're ready. Sound boy. Come when you're ready, daddy. African roots. When you're ready. Hey, you know what? Come tell me, come tell me no. You know what? Come tell me, tell me no. I'm a dancer, you know, come so. Don't play down, that's how bad don't go. I'm in your mind, you just a root out your cocoa.
Yo. Lift up. Cup dance, don't know. Watch it now. This is John time. Well, the judge. Easy. Yo, hey. The outcome of the dance is, the judge said, runners up this night, Stalingrad. And the winner by popular demand, by, you know what I mean, I think African roots. Yo. Yeah, crowd of people. Crowd. The one question I want to ask Studio Magic is, where was you when the Southwest England...
You don't see we expensive, man.
Well, what you know? Hey, we just want the winner tonight. We just play for the last half an hour, see?
Yeah. Some African roots. I work right. Now don't disrespect it.
Sound boy, don't watch our tournament was big. I come to champion.
Yeah.
Come when you're ready, daddy. Come when you're ready. Sound boy, come when you're ready, daddy. African roots.
Nice.
When you're ready. You know what, come tell me no. You know what, come tell me no. Come on, you know, come so. Don't play time, that's no bad don't go. I'm in your mind, daddy. You just a root out your cocoa. Don't play time, now your mambo. I say you happy, surrender.
Nice Studio Magic. Easy Studio Magic. I we don't cut off a junction back, see? Now don't play, sing.
Come when you're ready,
come down, the selector.
So watch our tournament was big. I come to champion.
No further people, let's see how them going to respect the champion. No, the boy them are going like fool, man. Come we don't want no distress business, man. Come off, you're not cool up on yourself. No, not cool up, rapper dread. No talk to them, man.
Don't watch our tournament was big. I come to champion. Don't watch our tournament was big. I come to champion.
Come off here.
Come when you're ready, daddy. Come when you're ready. Sound boy. Come when you're ready, daddy.
Promoter, come to the vocal, I'm saying. Calling the promoter. No promoter, make us why you start out the vibe scene. Cause right now enough crowd a massive cup of bubble and pay them pounds scene. No shoot at magic and I go on like fool. No bad luck. This next year.
So watch our tournament was big. I come to champion.
Nice Studio Magic. I run off your mouth too quick. Screen.
Come when you're ready, daddy.
Run off your mouth too quick.
Come when you're ready. Sound boy.
Last I know that. I rather than sing. P-Marshall. I come from Junction, come a Central. Now things them critical. sing African roots, international.
Come tell me something, come tell me no. You know what, come tell me something, tell me no.
How we roll, man? Come down, selector. Now we go quest the boss man thinker. That man they bring
don't watch. Watch our return when those speech are coming.
Now remember this one is a final. When you let down the line, right there, so.
Come when you're ready.
And no respect for selling that street.
85 rather 87.
African roots.
That's what boy.
You think you get this way. When you're ready. You think you get this way. Hey, you know what, come tell me something. Come tell me no. You know what, come tell me something. Tell me no. Come on, dancehall, you know, come to us so. Dubplate on the song by Bumbo. Hanging on your mind, day. Just a root out your Bumbo. Dubplate on your Bumbo. I say you happy surrender. I say when you're ready. And if you think you can this way. Come when you're ready.
African roots side power sing.
African symbol in a A1 class. And the sound can't really pass. African roots in a A1 class. And the sound so it can't really pass. When you're ready. Come when you're ready. If you think you can taste.
I'll select a man I want us come down sensible sing. Focus to the man like Joseph sing. And the sound like selling God international.
And the sound so that can't really pass. When you're ready. If you think you can taste. Come when you're ready. If you think you can taste way. If you can taste way. If you can taste way. Lord no.
Now come down, Miss Selector, and touch up sin. Can also play. Now big request sing. The sound like Selling God International. And a man like Joseph sing. And a man like Dan Ayodayard. I'll pass to them this whole tight. Sing. At this sound rule. Now come down that is called. What the man I say?
Now big request to all sound in a dancing car. You know say I love same way, you know. Cause you know say on the street, man a virgin same space, say. But sound business is sound business, say.
When it comes to dancer, we are the done man.
Now come down, Mr. Echo.
African roots expensive and there along with Red Rose and Bonnie. Riding, rough. Come down.
Well, listen right now, in fresh. And my friend, we are both this here. Expensive and there.
Now come down, mini culture and shock.
Easy that is Scully, man. Now come down again, Selector. I know them style abroad, man. Ragamuffin is here. African roots gone clear. Now step down in our gear. Easy.
Well, listen right now, in fresh.
Now some lick shop business here.
Expensive and there.
I is show the magic, man. I don't know already. Well tight Stalingrad. I want to see you, man. Big up quest all people that are following, see. No respect to all of that crew. No respect. Hey. Sound like African Roots International. Now taking them silent, clear scene.
Don't you know that money rising? Lord, it in a A1 class. Whoa, come down, money rising.
Big request to London Massive, second and cold.
I'm a selector, man. That's all gone, you know. Now come down, selector. Come on, touch up on the part two. Easy culture. Come on, go bring it down, man. I'm safe. Now come down, selector. Come now, see rolling at the sing. Now taking some intelligence time.
Still I sign original every time. Sing. Down. She wanna dance, she wanna down them. Bang bado be dang them. She wanna dang, she wanna dang dang. Bang bado be dang dang. So we and them are enemies, say we and them no friend. We and them no enemies, say we and them no friend. Yes, we come to kill them again. So come round the corner, then we go round the bend. Tell her and listen, so me tell her fishy friend. Tell them African lad we come back again. Listen me them and me this a nice ready. Tonight them the fucker we go clip. Now come down select on. She wanna dang, she wanna dang them. Bang bado be dang them. She wanna dang, she wanna dang dang. Bang bado be dang dang. So we and them are enemies, say we and them no friend. We and them no enemies, say we and them no friend. Yes, we come to kill them again. So come round the corner, then we go round the bend. Tell her and listen, so me tell her fishy friend. Tell them African lad we come back again. Listen me them and me this a nice ready. Tonight them the fucker we go clip. Now come down selector man. I know sir ready man. Me come out that lad, me gun in a the African style. I say we gun in a the African style. Because you know me no man lad, me wicked and wild. When me come out that lad, me in a no style. Sit down on the rhythm, if me sit down in a time. When me live with them lads, you know them a fi rhyme. When me come out, that's me and the dancehall king. Yes, I'm in them and you a fi ride the ready. Tonight them the fucker we go clip them wing. Tell the African when them a shock and them a sing. Yes, me no man, you know you had the 18. Cause the girl them a come and me say from my parade. With them they say do lad, they know that saying. Some of them a do lad, they what a pumping. Some of them the boy them a try test me. Two them no lad, me in a silent. Cause the man want me hear that a pirate man. Pirate me lyrics them one by one. So me lyrics them quick.
Wagwan ENT.